Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Krediz super soft leather plus size crossbody bag, a stylish and functional accessory designed for women who want convenience without compromising on quality and design. This crossbody purse is crafted from genuine soft leather, giving it a luxurious feel that's both durable and comfortable to carry. What sets this bag apart is its thoughtful multi-pocket design. With 5 exterior zippered pockets, including a spacious top main pocket, 3 front pockets, and a rear pocket, it offers ample space for organizing your essentials. Whether it's your phone, wallet, keys, or makeup, everything has its own place, reducing clutter and making it easy to access your items on the go. The dimensions of the regular size model measure 11.25 inches in height and 9.75 inches in width, making it perfect for daily use without feeling bulky. The adjustable leather shoulder strap allows you to customize the fit for your comfort, whether you prefer it snug under your arm or hanging lower for a relaxed look. Beyond practicality, this bag adds a touch of vintage charm to your outfit with its soft, supple leather and classic design. The durable metal zippers enhance its longevity while maintaining smooth functionality, ensuring that this purse stays with you through daily adventures. Its imported craftsmanship reflects quality, combining style and utility seamlessly. The zipper closure keeps your belongings secure, and the built-in wallet feature adds extra convenience. Ideal for travel, errands, or casual outings, the Krediz leather crossbody purse strikes a balance between softness and strength, promising to be a reliable companion for your everyday needs. If you're searching for a stylish, multi-pocket leather bag that offers both versatility and a premium feel, this Krediz crossbody bag is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you find the best products that combine style and function. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.